Question. My husband does not give me my expenses, neither for me nor for my children. Sometimes, we take money from him without his knowledge. Is there any sin upon us? Answer. It is allowed for a woman to take wealth from her husband without his knowledge to meet her and her children's needs if he is not giving them what they are customarily entitled to. She must take the money without extravagance or waste if he does not give her what suffices her. This is based on what is recorded in Sahih al-Bukhari and Sahih Muslim from Aisha, who stated that Hind bint Utbah came to the Prophet, SAW, and said, O Messenger of Allah, SAW, Abu Sufyan does not give me what is sufficient for me or for my children. The Prophet, SAW, said, Take from his wealth according to what is right and good, which will suffice you and your child. Take from his wealth according to what is right and good, which will suffice you and your child. Sahih al-Bukhari Hadith 2211 wa Sahih Muslim Hadith 1714. Sheikh Ibn Baz